In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark all emails as read in Outlook, and it should take just about 5 minutes. If you're like many of us, your inbox might be overflowing with unread messages. Let's clear that clutter so you can achieve that satisfying sight of a clean slate. First, you'll need to head over to Microsoft Outlook. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Outlook web address, or simply by locating the Outlook app on your device. Once you've got Outlook open, you'll notice the sign in option in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll need to sign in using your email and password. This step is pretty straightforward, but it's important to ensure that you're entering your credentials correctly. Remember, you won't be able to proceed without successfully signing into your account, so double check those details if you encounter any issues. Once you're signed in and can see your Outlook inbox, it's time to select all the emails that you want to mark as read. This will save you from having to click through each email individually. To do this efficiently, simply press Ctrl and the letter A on your keyboard simultaneously. If you're using a Mac, you'll substitute the Control key with the Command key. This action quickly highlights or selects all your emails in the inbox, which is exactly what we want. The next part is just a few clicks away from having a neat and tidy inbox. At the top of your screen, look for an option that says Read/Unread. Locate it and give it a click. By doing this, you're effectively commanding Outlook to mark all those selected emails as read. It's that simple. This action is not just a time saver, but it's also a great way to reduce stress caused by seeing hundreds or even thousands of unread emails. To provide you with a quick recap, you began by navigating to the Outlook website or app and signed in by entering your email and password. You then selected all your emails using the Control A shortcut and finally clicked on the Read Unread button to mark them as read. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to gain some sense of order in your digital life. Just remember, this process doesn't delete any emails, it just clears your unread count to help you focus on new incoming messages. I hope you found this guide helpful, and be sure to check back for more tips on organizing your digital workspace. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.